everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly. Very happy day out there to everybody watching. I am going to try these. I don't wear false lashes all too often, but I do like them. And I saw these, I don't even know where I saw these. And I had to have them. I want to try them. They're the Kiss Falscara. So if you're excited to see how these go, stay tuned. If you are new here, I want to say hi, hello. I'm always caffeinated. My name is Kelly, and I probably should have said that in a different order. Here we are. We are going to try some Falscara lashes. I haven't seen too much with this on social media. Actually, I don't know if I've seen these like just on Ulta's site, or I have no idea. But anyways, these actually, they go underneath the lashes, and I want to try these. I'm so nervous. Anyways, the kit was $20 on the Ulta site, but I was able to use a $3.50 coupon. So it brought it down to what, $16.50? $16.50 for this. You do get the lashes, the Falscara stuff, and the tools. So anyways, if you take care of them, you're supposed to be able to reuse the wispies is what they are. So they have like this, so I'm probably gonna end up having to keep this just that these don't get dusty, but there is like a covering here right there. I've watched the video that you're supposed to how to apply this 100 times, and I'm so nervous. But anyways, you're not supposed to need mascara. Without mascara, I have like no lashes, so we'll see, you guys. This is a journey. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm super chatty, super caffeinated, and this is probably a horrible idea to be doing this on a second pot of coffee. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you in, move my mirror closer so I can be able to see, and we're just going to do this. We're going to do this together, and it's okay. I am not alone, right? You guys are with me? Oh, I'm so scared. Alright, so bond and seal. So you're supposed to use the bond side first and then the seal. Grab lashes with this handy dandy tool. We're gonna do this. Ooh. Okay, and you're supposed to, the video said to put it as close to the lash line without being on your waterline, I think is what it said. Again, I'm so nervous. I always get nervous when I try things. Okay, bond first. I'm gonna do one eye, and then I'm gonna do the other. My hair is crazy, and I am procrastinating. Okay, the wand is very, very tiny, which I do really like. So we're gonna coat. It seems like there's a little bit of color to this too. So that should help. Oops, that was my eyeball. Or my eyelid. Okay, are we coated? I think we're coated. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Oh my god, what am I doing right now? I am shaking. I'm so nervous. Okay, and then you're supposed to use the tool to pull the wisps off. Okay. That came off nicely. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, hold it like this, maybe? That's not gonna work. Oh, this is awkward. You guys, this is awkward. That's not gonna work. I don't know how to hold it. Really? Yeah, that fell. Anyways, okay. So, stick it. Did it stick? It stuck. Okay, moving on. I don't remember how I held that. Okay, so hold it like this. Stick it. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Okay, actually, I'm getting the hang of it, I think. Okay. Grab it. And stick it. Well, this is not going to be pretty. I'm going to say that. It's not going to be pretty. And stick it. Okay. I actually don't... Oops, that one didn't stick, did it? Okay. And then it said to pinch together. natural lashes. I actually have like an extra one on here. I don't think I want to bring it that close. They're very comfortable as of right now. Anyways, so let's go in with the seal side. Oh, I'm apologize if this is all over the place. So a little one, too, and I like that they're different colors. That helps, so you know you're on the right track. This is supposed to seal it, but it's also supposed to take all the sticky away. So I didn't line them up very well. So there's one and none, like on this side. Actually, I do really like it. I think I could probably cut like that in half and do like one more, which I think I will probably do like next time, but because I've already put the seal on. But I was kind of hesitant because I was like, oh, but what about the mascara? And I don't see my lashes. So I actually like it because when you do like strip lashes are on top. And so you see your very pale, non-existent lashes, but I like these. I like these a lot. They seem naturally wispy. I don't know. Anyways, let's do the other side. I'm trying to talk my way through this so that way I don't edit too much out. Okay. All right. And the black side is the Bond. There is a little tint to this, I'm pretty sure. I feel like there's the smallest tint. Usually, I will say too, I'm not really a fan of the Kiss lashes because I'm not a fan of the band. I tend to break the band, to be honest. Okay, so grabbing lashes. Oops, I'm trying to. Different angle. This is awkward. Okay. And up. Oh no, oh no. Okay, learning curve for sure. And stick. Wait, where are we? I'm not doing as well on this side, I don't feel like. Okay, grab the lash. And underneath. This is definitely awkward. Oh, that one didn't stick. Okay. One more. Okay, this side was a lot harder. I'm pretty sure I'm cutting a piece of that out. I feel like that one didn't, like, they're kind of falling off. I don't know. I don't know if I can readjust this or what. I guess I'm just going to try to pinch them with my other lashes. They're very sticky. Okay, I think this is as good as it gets. I pinched my actual eyelid and now it hurts. Okay, let's go ahead, seal this side in really quick. Get the sticky, because it definitely is sticky, I will say that. But okay, so this is the finished lash look, if you will. This side is a little red because this is the side I kept, when I was trying to pinch them together, I kept pinching like my actual eye. So it kind of hurt. I do like them. I did only need, how many sections? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 sections here, if you can see that. I don't know what's going on with my lighting, but anyways, I like them. They're very comfortable. I don't feel them at all. I don't see them. I don't feel them at all. And I'm not sure if I even need to cut that other one. And I was almost hesitant because this side, learning curve. Like, I'm going to have to practice with these absolutely 100% because this side isn't as pretty, I guess, if you were to lift them up, but I can lift them and touch them and they're not moving, you know, they're not like bending or doing anything kind of weird. So I don't know. It's a new thing, what did I do with the package? Right here, it's a new thing. I'm really, really curious. They were a lot easier, I think, to use. I like the Ardell magnetic lashes a lot, but that magnetic eyeliner is a beast to work with. We'll say that. It dries out. It dries very fast too. Even if you put it on the if you're not quick enough, there's a problem. And on this side, because I was kind of farting around a little bit, I did have to reapply this last end wisp. But I was able just to go in there with a little bit of the Bond side and then stick it really quick. And I like these because it's not touching my eye. It's actually like they're bonded to my eyelashes. So I don't know. Did I just find something really awesome? I don't know. I will update you down in the comment section how they were, thoughts or anything. But definitely subscribe, because I will do a haul update after I've used these quite a bit, how they wear, how they wash, and whatnot, how longevity on these. But I will say, I was reading reviews just to see if anybody had actually glued these to their contact, which my contacts seemed fine. When I was texting Heather and I was like, I'm gonna hope I don't glue this to my eyelid or my contact. Anyways, they did say that as long as there's a thin band, you could cut other shaped eyelashes. So in case you were wondering, the band on these are very, very like thin, and that's one of my beefs with like the strip lashes by Kiss, is like they're so thin that I end up like bending them, and then they're not any good. But anyways, I'm really happy I did spend the $20 on the kit, but like I said, I used the $3.50 coupon, so it was only $16.50. I don't know, let me know down in the comments, have you guys tried these? Have you heard of these? Have you seen these? Because I think they're kind of new. I don't know. I like these. I keep looking at myself. It's kind of vain, but I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you had fun kind of watching me experiment, I guess, with some new lashes, and absolutely share this video with your friends so that I can make more friends here on the YouTube, because I'm a friendly gal. I'm a very quiet and shy person in real life, but we can be YouTube friends. Anyways, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!